Dirty Bird by David Lovins. My life sucks. It's really horrible. I'm broke and homeless. I'm destitute. I have no hope. I'm doomed. I don't stand a chance in hell. I'm trucked. Dirty Bird by David Lovins. My life sucks. It's really horrible. I'm broke and homeless. I'm destitute. I have no hope. I'm doomed. I don't stand a chance in hell. I'm trucked. My life sucks. It's really horrible. I'm broke and homeless. I'm destitute. I have no hope. I'm doomed. I don't stand a chance in hell. I'm trucked. Dirty Bird by David Lovins. My life sucks. It's really horrible. I'm broke and homeless. I'm destitute. I have no hope. I'm doomed. I don't stand a chance in hell. I'm trucked. All right, there you have it. I did that cartoon at Integrity Staffing. Well, they had one job for me. Well, it wasn't a job. It was an audition. Well, I did it before recently through Manpower, where you go over to the Spice Factory and they give you a 5-minute tour. Then they decide if they're going to hire you or not. So I've already done that. I wasn't going to go over there again to audition. If they really needed someone that bad, they would have hired me. I didn't want to waste all day just going over there and then having them reject me yet again. It's a dangerous environment. You have to wear like a hairnet and a face mask. And there's spice in the air. I'd probably get my lungs clogged up with spice way worse than I would with tobacco. And then from the very first minute, I'd have an exit strategy where I'd want to get the hell out of there. So the cartoon I made was at Integrity Staffing while I was sitting around. I always bring my clipboard in and a pen, because I just get bored sitting there doing nothing. They played an Alanis Morissette song from the Jagged Little Pill album. It's a good song. I don't know the title of the song. Win Me Over. She's a true talent. Though that album was kind of written by her. Wait, that album was kind of written for her by her manager. Her most successful album. She never had that big of an album ever again. It was kind of an angry alternative album. It's a good album. So should I have gone over to the Spice Factory for another audition? I truly felt it would have been a waste of time. I have no desire to work for them. Any job, I'm only doing it for the money. For months, I've been trying to think of companies that I identify with. Not a single one. Every company in the world has failed to win me over because they're all the same. So any place I work, I just do it for the money and I do it for me. It's not that I care about the company. Why should I care about them? It's just business. They don't care about me and I don't care about them. I would never voluntarily work for anybody. Unless they pay me. Let's see what's going on. Right now I'm working for YouTube. And I'm not getting paid at all. I need 2,400 watch time hours before YouTube would even consider to pay me. Then I think you have to file taxes, which I haven't done in years. So even if I qualify, I'd probably have a hard time getting paid. It'd be so much easier if they just drop in the money into PayPal and you're done. But it's also complicated. I don't stand a chance in this world. This Dirty Bird character has been with me for a long time. It's just a natural. When I draw this strip, when I get in the mood for it, it just comes out really nice and easy. I don't have to think too hard. In the case of this strip, it just started with this drawing. I was gonna write a caption. Then I decided to make a strip out of it. It's really hard to do strips like this and not have swear words in it. I have to change it. So that's no fun. Of course, for a character named Dirty Bird, I would want to have him swear. But what are you going to do with it? I can put it on DeviantArt with swearing. They wouldn't care that much. But on YouTube, no way. I'd probably get another community strike. I have one. Because I said a bad word in a title. Oh, this again. Well, my joke or sarcasm didn't go over. I even appealed by accident. And they rejected the notion. They gave me a strike. I don't blame them. I had probably been drinking when I came up with that title. What it was about was people used to troll each other very heavily on YouTube. Use all kinds of language. And that was okay. I've been called names on YouTube before. But since 2015, I guess that kind of stuff kind of tapered off. Still stupid. You can't just put music up and have the artist get paid from your video. It's what they wanted to do. Otherwise, you'd have a lot more music from me, from the radio, and I would comment. Alright, that's enough for this video. Thanks for watching or not watching.